Hello everyone, I'm Billy from RICHMCHN Machinery Engineering. Today I'd like to introduce you a 6-ton excavator XE60GA. The machine is belong to XCMG brand, which is one of the Chinese pop brands. Now let's see it. Here is the XCMG brand excavator XE60GA. It is a hot-sealing model of XCMG brand. The self-weight of the machine is 6 tons. Let me show you more details. This is the bucket. The capacity of the bucket is 0.25 cubic meters. Look at this track. The standard track wide is 400 millimeters. Let's focus on the engine. The excavator is equipped with Yanmar engine and XCMG pump. Next, I will show you the cabin. The seat package is improved, and the cushion is 20% thicker, which can improve the ride comfort. Large area of high-strength tempered glass is used to improve the feel of the driver while ensuring the intensity of the cab. The top of the cab is equipped with lines to ensure accurate and safe work at night. The excavator is very popular in the market. If you are interested in this machine and willing to know more details, welcome to contact me. See you next time.